Hey everyone! For today's video, I'm doing a small little windmill. The pattern is a really old one and I kind of had a hard time finding it, so the only place I found it was a archive. So the size isn't that big, just because they didn't have a high resolution of it. So the windmill is kind of tiny, but I think it's still manageable to do. For the pattern, I printed mine on 120 GSM printing paper, but you could also use just normal printing paper. This is really optional, but I like to reinforce certain parts with extra layers of paper. It just gives the model a bit more sturdiness. So for the fence part, I think originally you don't really have to cut in between the little fence railings. I just did it because I think it looks nicer that way, but you can skip this part. This is also optional, but I wanted the bottom to be like really circular, and you can't kind of mush it because the paper is kind of soft. So I just inserted a little circle so it kind of keeps the shape. So this is where I ran into some problems because I had like no final version to go by. So a lot of the things are really tiny on the printout, so I couldn't really read what it says. So specifically this ladder, I think, goes on top of the mill just so the mill worker can access the top of the house. But here, these two parts, I have no idea where they go. I couldn't make it out. Like, I really don't know where they go. So I just kind of put them to the side, and I genuinely don't know where they go. So if anyone has an idea, let me know and I'll try to fix it. For the base, I just used a scrap piece of wood I had lying around, and I put a layer of sand on top, and then I just added a tiny bit of fake grass on top. I think it looked nice in the end. I do wish I had a higher resolution of the print just so I could read the instructions, but it is what it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one.